Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that makes sure you don't waste your hard-earned cash on subpar products. Today, we've got a battle of the robotic titans. In the left corner, weighing in with powerful suction and a mop combo, we have the Roborock Q7 Max. And in the right corner, with its self-emptying magic and insane suction power, it's the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be one heck of a showdown. Alright, let's talk about suction power. The Q7 Max has a respectable 4,200 pascals suction. It's like having a mini tornado in your living room, sucking up debris, pet hair, and probably your dignity if you're not careful. But wait, Q5 Max Plus enters the ring with a whopping 5,500 pi hyperforce suction. That's not just a robot vacuum, that's a black hole on wheels. Reviewers have praised the Q5 Max Plus for its incredible suction power that can handle any mess. Winner for suction power? Q5 Max Plus takes it hands down. Next up, let's dive into their cleaning features. The Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously with 30 water flow levels. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning your floor. Meanwhile, the Q5 Max Plus sticks to vacuuming, but does it with a duo roller brush that minimizes tangling. Reviewers love the Q7 Max for its dual functionality, while pet owners particularly appreciate the Q5 Max Plus for its specialized brush that handles pet hair effectively. This round? Call it a draw. They both have their unique perks. Now on to navigation. Both these bad boys come equipped with PreciSense LiDAR Navigation systems. The Q7 Max builds accurate 3D maps and even lets you add virtual furniture, so you can pretend to have that expensive couch you can't afford. The Q5 Max Plus also creates detailed 3D maps, but boasts quicker mapping and multi-level mapping systems. It's like the Usain Bolt of robot vacuums. Fast and precise. Reviewers have noted the Q5 Max Plus's S-speed and adaptability, giving it a slight edge in this category. Let's talk about the unsung hero of any vacuum, the dustbin. Q7 Max has a combined dustbin and water tank, which means fewer trips to empty or refill. But Q5 Max Plus says, "Hold my dust bag," and gives you a 770 milliliters dustbin capacity with 7-week hands-free cleaning. Imagine not touching your vacuum for almost 2 months. Reviewers have praised this feature of the Q5 Max Plus, making it a clear winner in this round. Finally, battery life. The Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, covering a maximum area of 3,229 square feet. Impressive, right? Well, Q5 Max Plus says, "I see your 180 minutes and raise you 240 minutes. Covering a sweeping area of 3,767 square feet." You might forget you even own a vacuum because this thing just keeps going and going. Reviewers have highlighted the Q5 Max Plus's exceptional battery life, making it the Energizer Bunny of robot vacuums. Another win for Q5 Max Plus. Reviewers have praised the Roborock Q7 Max for its versatile cleaning features and strong suction power, making it a reliable choice for those looking to simplify their cleaning routines. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus has been lauded for its powerful suction, low-maintenance dustbin, and exceptional battery life, making it a top pick for those seeking a high-performance vacuum. So there you have it, folks. While the Q7 Max offers some nifty features like mopping and a combined dustbin and water tank, the Q5 Max Plus dominates in suction power, navigation speed, dustbin capacity, and battery life. It's like the overachiever in your friend group who makes everyone else look bad. If you want a robot vacuum that practically does your taxes, go for the Q5 Max Plus. But if you need that extra mopping feature, the Q7 Max is still a solid choice. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping!